Hi everyone, it's Charlie McDonald here from Irrigear Goulburn, and we're here at Spring Ponds at Bungonia with Dave Ward, who's one of our better clients. A few years ago we put in a solar pumping system and reticulation system for Dave's stock watering, and we think it's been quite successful over the years. Dave, tell us a bit about Spring Ponds and you and your family.
So we've run Spring Ponds since 2007, so the last 9 years. And part of our management has been to fence off a creek that runs right through the middle of the property. And it was as a part of a Sydney Water grant. It was 10 k's of fencing for a start, but part of that, because we were fencing off the stock water, we had to put a solar pump in and a tank just to articulate water around the place.
And how big's the place, Dave?
It's 1,300 acres here, and we're all merino sheep, and so.
How many sheep do you run?
2,500.
Yeah. And so this system allowed you to get the sheep away from the creek and
well, it was all eroding away, so it was really important that we actually fence off the creek. But then cutting out the stock water, which it's a bit of a negative in it, but the way the creek is growing back and the difference it's made to it is it's huge. It's very well worth doing.
Been good for the catchment as well?
For sure, yeah, definitely.
Fantastic. Looking at all the different alternatives, this is the cheapest long-term cost. So,
and from management point of view on that side of it, we have not had to maintain anything, haven't had to fill up the pump with diesel, or there's been no maintenance on our side at all. Like we're just looking, the tank's full, and it's
The beauty of the modern solar pumping and solutions is that there's no operator input required, no oil changes, no fuel costs, all of that. So nice and easy, Dave. That's all from us here at Spring Ponds. Thanks for watching, and we'd like to see you one day in Irrigear Goulburn.